Welcome to my channel Furty's Cake and Sugar Art. Today I am going to show you a beautiful cake topper and unique cake topper. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So here I take red fondant and first I want to let me show you first thing first. You see here is that it's a foam I am using for my topper, so I wrap it with foil because it's using on a cake, that's why. So first I roll the red fondant and cover the heart shape with this fondant. So let's roll the fondant first. It's been long time I'm posting any long video, but now I want to post even at least once a week. So keep checking my channel, tap the bell icon so you can get all the notification what I am posting. But even I am not posting any long video, but I am posting that short one, that one also different tutorial how to make your cake topper, so you can check that one. So here I am using a small mat, not the big one. So it's done. Let's cover the heart shape. So I am using water. Even on the side, but the side I will use a little bit of white, but first I want to cover whole thing with the red. Now take it here and then cover this whole thing, smooth the area, and then the side, this shape also. And then with the cutter I want to cut it, so I am using a pizza cutter. I have this cute one, so let me cut here. I want to make extra one so I can cover it nicely. So don't worry about the extra thing. Okay, remove that extra fondant and now cover the whole area. And I think this side I have to use water also so you can stick perfectly. I don't know, maybe this thing is giving it a little bit extra height. Let me cut here. I have the scissor. So I want to cut this side because this is too much here, the foil. I want to make it here also, you see, it's extra. Okay, now it's fine. So I want to use a little bit more water, so let me use on fondant that it's easy. See. I want to cut it here so I can cover it nicely. And now let me do it. So this is the base of the topper and the shape. make it smooth. Because I want to use it on top of my cake. So after I make it, I flip it, then I can press it so it would make more smooth. Let me check that side also, but first make this side smooth. Even you can use, let me use a tool to make it smooth. It's nice and smooth. I like it, this heart shape. So here is the base of my heart here. Okay, let me do the other things. So what I want to do, I want to use a white one around it. So let me cut a white ribbon for this one, keep it aside and use the white one. Now I take the white fondant. This white fondant looks a little bit sticky. Let me use corn flour. Now roll the fondant. Let me make a sausage shape first. See the red fondant, it's here. Roll the fondant. I want a long ribbon to cover the whole side. Just cut from here. Make it big. I'm cutting the ribbon. I think this size is fine. Let me use water again, and then here is the base, the red one. I want to use the white around it. I will make a very beautiful topper for my cake. It's for an anniversary cake. So let me check the middle here. So I want to start from this side here. Press it nicely and then cover this area. See, it's better when I use that side. And here I will cut with the scissor. Okay, this is the thing I want. Let me smooth it. Okay, so I start from here and do this thing like this. So let me cut it here with the scissor so I can make it smooth. You see? Oh, it's nice. It's ready. Now I'm going to show you what I'm making. Try to roll it as thin as possible. And I'm showing you what I'm making now for this topper. you like the video, please give a like and subscribe my channel. Now I'm going to cut this shape. I need many of them, so let me cut it. I want to keep this in a container, otherwise when I am using the rest of them maybe they're dry. So let me take a container. So let me take all of this. It's cold here, it's winter, not that cold, but it's cold. So this time is very comfortable to work with fondant, but when it's raining it's very difficult to work with fondant. So I like this time to work with fondant. So let me keep them here, and other ones I am using foam pad. That one is very useful for cake topper. So here is my petals, and let me use a tool. Let me use my ball tool to shape them from the middle and then the side. Yeah, I need 8 of them. So here is 7. I need one more. Let me take another one. Use little bit of water here, and then place another one here, and then this. Now I'm using another ones, so I apply some water. I'm using 3 of them. And then give a nice shape. And again we are using not too much, little bit of water. Start from here. Make the petals realistic, so I want to make it a little bit curvier, and then here so here is the rose. Let me take out this extra one. Here is the rose, so I keep it aside and then make the other ones. I am making more roses, so I cut them again and keep making. I think I need maybe 10 to 12 roses for this topper. Center So let me take this one. I already brush water, and this one. Then one of this, other one is from the back, so it's going inside, and then keep doing like this. So I finished making all the roses here, so I keep it aside, all of this. Let me show how I make the topper. So I take this one here, I take the brush and apply water. I have to stick all the roses here, so I cover the whole area with water. I am using this cake topper for a 12-inch round cake. On top of the cake, it's an anniversary cake, so it's going with the theme, that red roses. It's a very good combination. So I'm starting from here, but here I saw that one is big, so I want to use it in this corner, last area, and then start other ones from here, one by one. So I have to wait for them to dry little bit, then I can use on top of the cake, and then start from this side. This one is this topper is 6-inch, no, I think it's 5-inch topper for a 12-inch round cake. And here I finish with this small one. Then I have to fill all the. Let me start from here, side, this corner. Oh, I love it. Let me use a big one for the middle. Let me a little bit here, and then try to squeeze it here, so it's, and then cut the excess. Place it here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.